Hey guys, it's Katie, and today I'm going to be vlogging me organizing my skincare drawer. It is super messy and overflowing, and I have too much new products to try and fit in there. And today I thought this would be a fun video to vlog on my vlog channel. It is currently, I don't know if you can see that, but it's 12 o'clock on a Saturday night, and I have church tomorrow at 9 a.m. Basically, I'm just wasting my life away. I should be sleeping, but instead I'm on FaceTime with Cole. So if you're interested in seeing me organize my skincare drawer, which consists of moisturizers, my micellar waters, face masks, all that stuff, please don't forget to keep watching, and also follow me on all my socials. They'll be all down below. Hi, Cole. I made him put himself on mute so he can't talk. I'm gonna show you guys what the skincare drawer looks like so far. So I have two sets of Alex 5 drawers, this set on the right and this side on the left. And right here is my skincare drawer. Trying not to get my toesy woesies in the video. So this is what the skincare drawer looks like. It is overpacked, overflowing with product. Basically, I'm gonna take everything out of here, get rid of stuff I don't need or use anymore, and then separate it, and then put the rest of my new skincare in here. This is one of the Alex drawers that I emptied out when I organized my makeup collection on my main channel. Why are you off mute?
Because I was gonna say, don't you dare throw away that old skincare products that I needed.
Okay, you can have any of my other skincare.
Not like girl stuff. I just want like the stuff that'll fix me up.
Fix you up?
Yep.
Okay, you don't need any fixing.
I'm sorry, I'm going mute now.
Thanks, Cole. Oh! What? That's not cool! My phone just died. Rip Cole. Gotta go plug her in now. Give me life. Okay, back to the skincare. Basically, I'm gonna put y'all in time-lapse mode, and I'm gonna empty all this out and see what we find, and then we will continue with our search to clear this out. Does that work for y'all? Okay, time-lapse mode starts now. Alright, so I just cleaned out the entire drawer and separated everything out based on category. We all have it laid out, and I started putting trash away. I wiped down the inside of the drawer for any like stickiness and some of the products that were wet, but this is all like trash and stuff. Over here we just have these dry wipes, Q-tips, some cotton pads. These are pore strips. We have Vaseline, lip scrubs, and makeup remover wipes. We have toners, which I have more, but those are the only ones I have in this drawer. These are sample products. These are all my moisturizers. These are like squeezy face masks or face masks in tubes, and then we have these face masks, which are sheet masks, under eye masks, and just random stuff like that. So now I'm gonna decide what goes here and what goes in my other drawer, but I also have a bunch of more like skincare products up there somewhere, so I'm gonna lay them all out and then we can decide where everything goes. So I laid everything out, and now I'm gonna start with this drawer, which is the bottom drawer that we just cleaned out, and I'm gonna decide what I'm going to put in here. I think I'm going to keep moisturizers and toners and makeup removers in here, and maybe face masks. I'm not sure, but I gotta see. I also have a bunch of these like bins right here that can help me organize smaller product if I choose to use these. So I'm just gonna kind of play around with it and see what I decide to come up with. Okay, so I think this is how I like this drawer. This is what it looks like. Basically, we have all my moisturizers over here. Then we have all of my face masks, my self-tanning stuff, more squeezy tube face masks, and then more squeezy tube moisturizers, and then some in the back right here. And then we have Q-tips. And I'm going to put all the rest of the skincare stuff in that drawer over there. So I'm going to move it all over. This is basically going to consist of like sheet masks, because I have a whole lot of those, toners, cleansers, lip scrubs, Vaselines, pore strips, all things like that. So I think this is the final drawer how I like it over here. Basically, this is just a sheet masks, which are all right here. We have my cleansers, my toners, and my makeup removers, pore strips. Back here is Vaselines, makeup remover wipes, and this just has like lip scrubs and stuff. And I love the way that that looks. It's so good. And I love the way that this one looks. It's so good too. I maximized as much space as possible and got rid of a ton of like old face masks and stuff over here. So that makes me really happy that I got rid of everything expired expired and old, and now my drawers aren't as crusty anymore. Also found some squishies, so that's kind of good and fun and fresh. Okay, I really don't know what else to do in this vlog. I kind of just wanted to organize my drawers, but now that you've seen that, I don't know what else to tell you guys. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog anymore tonight just because I'm tired. Also, my phone died, so let's go check if it charged really quick. I need to move my chair. A lot of people have asked me about this chair. It's basically just a big brown chair. My dad found it in my basement when he was cleaning it out, and it's really more comfortable than that white one, so we changed it out. Yay, my phone's back on. Coley Roly. Hi, Cole. My phone died.
I assumed.
I finished organizing my drawer. Do you want to see it? Okay, so this is the first one. Look how clean.
Whoa.
Isn't it so clean?
Whoa, OCD much?
I think I like this one better than the other one.
I see you're watering your cellars.
My cellars and my waters. I don't know what else to do in this vlog.
You can sing.
Sing?
Mm-hmm.
I can't sing.
I can't sing. You're the one that can sing.
I can't sing either.
What did you sing?
Sing.
It was that, oh baby.
How did you know that? I love you, baby.
That one.
And if it's quite alright, I need you, baby.
What's the other one?
Lonely
Kiss me,
night.
kiss me.
I love you, baby. And if it's
There's another one you were singing.
alright, I need you, baby.
The one that was like, kiss me, you miss me.
That's Justin Bieber. Love
It is?
me, love me, say that you love me. Kiss me, say that you miss me.
That's Biebs.
That is Biebs. So the last time I vlogged on this vlog was when I organized my skincare drawers, and now it is like 4 days later, and I'm going to be cooking banana bread, and I wanted to vlog it for this vlog channel. Sorry it gets so dark right here, but I'm walking to go upstairs. But basically I'm going to be cooking banana bread with my brothers. We're going to be making it. 2 cups of flour, my dude.
I need a knife. Hey, guys.
Why do you need a knife? Oh, it's not filled enough.
Yes, it is.
Okay, do it. Chase is making eggs, or 1 egg.
What am I doing?
My dad is fixing our broken cabinet. Ooh, that was nice. Okay, pour. Over easy.
Ew.
Well done.
Yuck.
What's an over easy egg mean?
So gross. The yolk is what? That's nasty. Ew, that smells so gross. If I do a half of a teaspoon, will that be a fourth? A half of a half. Dad, these bananas might be moldy. Whipping it up. Now we get to peel the disgusting brown bananas and put them in a bag and smush them, because you're supposed to use rotten bananas to make banana bread, because that's how they taste good. It looks
Hi,
nasty.
brothers.
Somebody crack the eggs.
Okay, me. Hi, fuck. So what you want to do with this righteous egg is you gotta take it like this, and then you go against the counter.
Oh!
And you put it in without the yolk.
No, it's on the shell.
That's what I meant.
Give me massaging the bananas. I'm gonna sleep because I got you ain't never gonna sleep because of me. Gabby, say hi, Puppy. Because he's recording the dogs and not me. I'm cuter. Ah, nothing, Gabby. We're adding the walnuts. The walnuts make it yummy.
I don't wait to make no move and have it loaded. Why you like?
Say you want someone, give it all.
So now we're gonna add the chocolate chips. My family only eats banana bread if there's chocolate and nuts in it.
So I'm making it work.
It's a gift and a curse. Till I can't no more.
That is my desire.
I just put it in the oven and we're gonna let it cook for a while. I don't know how long it's supposed to cook for because my pan wasn't the size that they wanted it to be, but we're gonna give it 15 minutes and then check on it later. So here's the final banana bread. It honestly looks so good and I'm very excited to eat it. It came out of the oven a little while ago, so it's still really hot. But yeah, that's the final and it looks yummy. So that is the end of the vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed me watching me organize my drawers and cook the banana bread. I know this vlog was super random, but I had a lot of fun making it. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and all my social media will be down below. Subscribe to my main channel video. With all that being said, I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Peace in the Middle East, my homie G's.